This styling trick is what I'm going to reveal to you all in this video. Hey besties, let me show you how to style your wig from this to this. This styling method is unique. Besties, if you're new on this channel, you are super duper welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you all. Kindly click on the notification button so you would be notified anytime we drop videos, okay? And then don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, okay? So I will be showing you all how I transformed this wig from the regular to the unusual. Mind you, this is a closure wig, okay? So you don't need to bother or get worried for a frontal wig and all of that, okay? Just with your closure wig, you can come out looking elegant and confident. Yeah, so I just got my wig on. First of all, I had my cornrow on, and then I dressed my cornrow, the edges. I put them in place the way I want, and then I put on my wig. I went ahead to wet the wig. So besties, the thing you need to do most is make sure your wig is wet. Walk through your wig with your hand before you start styling the closure. So basically, it is the closure we are going to style properly. Remember, this is a coiled hair, not the regular straight hair, okay? It's the coiled hair, so you need to stick with me to the end of this video and see the way I coiled this hair. I styled this hair and the coils were still intact, okay? So I went ahead to part it from the side. It's a closure, but I want it kind of side parting, so I just created a part and then used my hot comb to work it all through down. I applied this wax stick. It's a stick. It's just like a wax stick, but it's basically for hairs, for good hairs. It's not gonna damage your hair, trust me, okay? So I used it first and then I went in with my hot comb. I combed it all the way down, first starting from the tip, brush down. After that, I went in with my leave-in conditioner and water, okay? Leave-in conditioner and water. I then went through it, and then there, yeah, look at it. So here I'm just trying to make sure the C pattern is clean and clear, okay? Look at it. I just made sure it's all well parted and it's clean. I went ahead to use my edge control to dress the edges, okay? This is still on the closure, working on the closure, okay? Because I had first dressed my edge control, the edges of my hair. I had first dressed it. That's why I say from the beginning, first dress the edge of your hair, then put on the wig, okay? And then so that the next edge control I used was for the closure edge, okay? And then look at what I just styled it a bit, just roll that and pinned it backward, roll the other side, pin backward, and then I came in with my my foundation, my skin color, and then damp a bit on the closure so it could just rhyme with my skin tone. And look at how beautiful this hair is looking. Look at all shade of gorgeousness. This is so beautiful. Besties, I will see you in my next one. Click on the subscribe button. Bye bye. Don't forget to tell me what you think about this style, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you.